Hi, this is CJ. I'm going to present for our project part two, the create NFT and the search NFT function. So first we go to the login page, and I have previously registered for a new user here, and just have to enter the password, login, and you can see here we got all the function up here. And for create, gonna go to the create NFT and we can enter the NFT name and description and an image URL to create an NFT because I've already created one. I'm gonna show you here actually. Big NT and put it. And after I hit create, you can see the create is successful and it's added to the database, which is here. If I select all from database, you can see the NFT was added here. And the creator and owner has been assigned to the user who has created it, and it also has a time that it created. And then we go to the search NFT, and for here you can just enter a name of the NFT and hit search, and it actually shows you true for there's a NFT in the database. Uh, However, we're still trying to work on that displays the search result here. It'll be implemented on the later part of the project. Uh, so then we go back to the main page. Uh, Now we're gonna explain the how this code works. So first, for the create, we have the create function here at the control sublet. uh, and oh, when we create, when we enter all the values and hit create NFT, it actually sends a action for create, which go to the action switch here, and it will go to create and calls the create function here. And at the create function here, we assign the all the value parameters for the uh, NFT that get created. Oh, sorry, it's right. It's actually here. Okay, and we set the NFT value to 0, but it will auto increment by 1 once it go into the database. And the name that we entered and email to the current user, which is the user had logged in, and the description that we have entered, and the URL at the time. And then it will create an instance with all these uh, attributes we have, and call the user DAO function, call the insert function in the user DAO, and go to user DAO. Insert function, it will actually insert the uh, instance we have to the database. And next is the search function. We search here. It's gonna send an action for search. It will also go to the switch actions, and we'll call the search action, which is right here. And it actually falls into the search. Uh, After it goes to search, and it will define uh, if if that name of you entered is uh, exist in the database. So it will call, we use the if function, and it will call the check NFT name, which in NFT DAO it's right here. It will select all the entities from the NFT table, and uh, if it does exist, well, set the check value to true and pass it back. And the rest of the function is prepared for the later on display the information of the search value. So we still have some little issues in there we need to fix. So it actually cause a user dot search NFT and passing the name value. It should display the one we that the one with the name we search for, which should be right here. And they should look for the weird name is equal to whatever we entered, and uh, return a list of the NFT that qualify for the such name, and display it in the web page. And that's it for our project part 2. Thank you for watching.